Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sassy Spiritual Junkie. Sorry, I was not posting since few days. I was occupied. I was feeling not drawn to record a video for collective because I did not feel like any message is coming to me to shuffle the cards. But today I really feel that something is going on. There is a shift, some which is little bit chaotic, but let's see what is coming for the collective, and I really pray that it reaches to the right people who need this message. But please remember, this is a general message. Don't try to fit in. Take what resonates only. Okay, so what messages are coming for this collective who is going to watch? It could be in any aspect. Okay, so let me take it as like what is coming for you in coming 15 days. Yeah, that's what I can think of right now. It's coming in my mind. In coming 15 days, what is coming for you? And it is a timeless message. Whenever you watch, from that you can see 15 days. Okay, okay. So this time period will test your comfort zone, that how much you are ready to come out of the comfort zone, or it will push you to come out of the comfort zone. There is a challenge where you that there is something which is pushing you from the comfort zone, but you are scared, or you are in some past pattern, or some past patterns are resurfacing in your life again. It could be in the form of memory, or while communicating with someone, in your career, in relationship, in family matters. So it's about you basically, which is asking you to break that pattern or come out of the comfort zone. So but basically comfort is coming here a lot, and it will test your skills and how much you have worked upon yourself, and how much you're ready to grow in your life. Wow, we have two of cups. For some of you, I think it's a good time coming up to have some kind of collaboration, or more ideas which will match for your current work profile, or it's like a growth. I can see it's coming in, though it is like out of the comfort zone, but it is definitely bringing growth. In 15 days you will see that you will be thankful to yourself that you came out of the comfort zone. And I also feel good time for some couples, or singles, finding a good commitment partner, or breaking off from the relation which is not serving. Like in 15 days, maybe you are coming out of that cycle that you were with someone, but because of comfort zone you were not able to come out of that. Okay, so let's see more. And it is exactly coming like 15 days only. Like in this 15 days only you're going to experience this. Okay, so this period will be something like where you're getting ideas, you're contemplating about it, you are taking a pause before reacting, you are taking a pause before deciding, you are understanding that how to trust your gut, how to trust your intuition. You're working on those things you're working on yourself. Wow, this is beautiful. Some wise person can guide you. Maybe you can find someone in the form of a person, or your teacher, or your guide. Someone is going to help you who is bit mature from you, or could be like in age there is a good gap, and that person is helping you. Basically you are seeking some kind of a help, and that help is coming to you. That guidance, that light is coming to you. Okay, it could be form of, like maybe you are taking a reading, you are meeting some mentor, or someone is guiding you in some way. For sure it could be your own intuition is guiding you. So you are trusting your intuition. Okay, you are not rushing into anything. Basically right now what I feel is you are being tired, or you have been under some kind of a pressure, or you are overburdening yourself with certain emotional thoughts or patterns or past things, or maybe your workload. Something is there where you're trying to do multitasking, but you have realized, or you will realize in this 15 days, that hey, I don't need to do so many things. I need to embrace rest, I need to take pause, I need to reflect, and I really need to be in harmony with myself first. Okay, so don't exhaust yourself. This is the message. You don't need to fit in everywhere. You don't need to prove. This is what is coming for you. Okay, so just rest, energetically, what I mean, but keep doing your work. And yes, you are coming out of that loop for sure. So cards I did not tell you. The first card was the Strength, then Two of Cups, then the Hermit, then Seven of Wands, and now we have the Fool. So Fool is asking you to take the accountability and come out of that loop. It's like, uh, the same thing, coming out of the comfort zone and feeling free from something. You were burdening yourself with something. Now you're making feel self like accepted in the present moment and doing certain things. Death card is here and Four of Cups is there. So you are coming out of that period where you were disappointed, where you could not see the growth, but now the growth will be seen to you. Okay, that's why the Death card is there. The transformation phase is happening for you. This 15 days is bringing you growth for sure, is bringing the opportunity, is bringing new things. Just a second. So many cards. So many cards, like you are like waiting for so many things. That's what I feel. You have a lot of question answers going on, or you are waiting for some signal and messages, but I will not take these cards because there are a lot of, so I will shuffle again. Okay, abundance, yes. Growth, I already told you it is coming. Okay, and that stuck zone, you are going to come out of the comfort zone, and even if it looks challenging, you're going to face that, and you will take a leap of faith. You will trust yourself. And we have these numbers together, like 4 and 6, like just the opposite number together. So definitely the situation is going towards progress. 4 to 6. Okay, it's like you can see just the mirror. It looks like a mirror, like if you can see it. This is 6, this is 4. Okay, sorry, this is 6, this is 4. So 4 to 6 you are going. This is like disappointed, not able to trust the process, not able to trust that divine has a support, not able to trust that something is coming for you. But here is the message, yes, that you are going to move on from that past energy, and definitely this 15 days will make you realize this opportunity. Some opportunity for your work is coming, some opportunity for money growth is coming, some stuck money you can get some in some way. This could be an opportunity to have right communication with your partner for something, or planning something where you are looking for some stability, or maybe as a person you're going to buy something which is like a home, or you are thinking of some expensive things, some luxurious things to invest in. So that opportunity also I see is coming for you. Okay, you're going to purchase something which is expensive. Somewhere I feel it's a phase also coming where you're going to spend a lot, so be mindful before spending that, if it is really important. And I also see that you will, even if you have not started saving money, you will start saving money, or if you are doing it, you will be more mindful that what are the right investments and how to do that, and all these research you will do. But anger issues or irritation can come up. I see a lot of red energy, which is like if you are not controlling your emotions, if you're not meditating, or if you're not doing your sadhanas, or rituals, or whatever you do to align yourself spiritually and religiously, whatever you do, keep doing that, because the energy shift is definitely there, which can bring some kind of irritation and frustration and anger issues I see. So don't react, don't throw it on someone else, and try to learn what it is teaching you, how you have to balance your emotional maturity. Okay, so You will be less detached with the outcome now. You will be more focusing on your skills, and all whatever you were stressing with, which and you might have also faced recently, sleepless night or late sleeps or a lot of question and answers. You are coming out of that, and you're understanding that it's better not to attach so much with everything and not take everything seriously, and especially work on my spiritual growth. That's what I can see. You are, that's why, you know, that there is a death card. It's like the transformation, a real transformation is really happening, which is making you focus on yourself, on your spiritual growth, on your personal growth. Okay, but let's see more. I will see now just one message from this card. What is coming for you guys? So what is the final message for this collective? Something is closing off for sure, because we got 2-9. 9 is a number of completion. Wow. So finally see what is the message. We have the sun and we have the chariot. So this coming 15 days is going to prepare you for a beautiful growth which is coming for you. It is bringing you the light. I told you already those things. It is bringing you some good news. It is bringing you good news for sure. You might be traveling also somewhere, or you're planning for travel, or you are going to welcome someone. Someone is coming visiting you, and that will be also somewhere, you know, some beautiful change or shift you can feel in with that travel, or with meeting with some person. Some aligned meeting is coming for sure. Okay, that's what I feel. This is beautiful. It wanted to come, so I'm just pulling, I'm showing you. It's a page of swords. It's like, again, the communication is happening, something new things are coming for you, and you will feel that youthful energy. That energy will be back. The energy which was lost since few days because of sleepless nights, or, you know, feeling a lot of question answers, anxiety and suppressed emotions. You will take care of those emotions. You will take care of the of how to heal it, how to not suppress it but release it beautifully, gracefully, and create a space for beautiful things. This will happen. Yeah, this is the message I have. It is bringing the beautiful transformation which you needed right now to shift from this stuck energy from few days. Okay, what else? Nothing else I have for you now. And if this resonated, please comment down. It helps me, it guides, like, it motivates me to upload more videos, and share with your friends and family who might need this message. And for personal reading, you can always connect on Instagram, or you can email me. Link is in the description. Okay, so take care, guys, and you can write down what reading you want next on. I got one message where it was about future spouse. I will do that, but you can put more, like if you want some pick-up pile reading or something like that. You know, I'm happy to do such kind of readings on demand. So take care, guys. See you in the next reading. Bye bye.